Are you trying to figure out how to get a Visa gift card for free? Well, you've clicked the right video. Here are 10 legit ways to earn free Visa gift cards. Because nobody has time for a scam. Have you ever heard of Mistplay? It's a gamer's paradise, offering a selection of fun mobile games that include classics like Bingo, Super Mario Run, Solitaire, Pokemon Go, Fruit Ninja, and chess. And while you're immersed in these games, you're accumulating units. I know units don't sound exciting, but they are. Reach 3,000 and you can take home a $10 Visa gift card. The only thing is Mistplay's an Android app, but don't worry iPhone users, I've still got you covered. KashKick is a relative newcomer to the world of survey sites, but still offers a variety of ways to make money. From taking surveys and downloading free trials to playing online games and accepting promotional offers, KashKick has it all. Oh, and did I mention it's free? Yep, joining KashKick is completely free, meaning no membership fees or monthly charges. Once you've crossed the $10 minimum payout threshold, you can cash in your earnings for a free Visa gift card or have the cash sent directly to your PayPal account. Gotta love flexibility and options. Imagine getting paid to watch short movie trailers and share your opinions. That's exactly what MyPoints offers. Prominent brands such as Target, Walmart, and Best Buy pay MyPoints for your feedback, and in return, they reward you with actual cash. It's a refreshing spin on the usual survey apps, and it's one of the best ways to earn extra money. Whether you're shopping online, taking surveys, watching videos, playing games, printing coupons, reading emails, or more, MyPoints has you covered. Once you reach the minimum cash out threshold, which is just $10, you can click the Get Rewarded button and redeem your points for a free Visa gift card, which will arrive in 3 to 10 business days, making it a quick and effective way to accumulate more Visa cards. Fetch Rewards, or just Fetch, is a user-friendly app designed to help you earn cash rewards swiftly and easily. The premise is simple. Snap photos of your receipts from a wide array of stores, including grocery stores, fast food joints, clothing retailers, and more. Then the app takes care of the rest. Upload your receipts within 14 days of purchase, and Fetch will scan them for qualifying products, awarding you points for your purchases. Once you've reached around 3,000 points, you can start redeeming them for gift cards. And you don't have to wait long since Fetch's gift cards are e-delivered. While this app may not make you rich, it's an excellent way to earn some extra cash back on your everyday shopping. Survey Junkie is a well-known survey platform where you earn points by participating in surveys that can be exchanged for various gift cards, including free Visa gift cards. Once you hit 500 points, you can request a Visa gift card. Best of all, it's entirely free to sign up, and if you complete just 3 surveys daily, you could earn as much as $40 every month. Swagbucks is another platform that offers a ton of ways to earn rewards, from participating in surveys to playing games, and even online shopping. Points, known as SBs, can be earned and redeemed for gift cards of your choice. And the best part is that you can cash out with as little as $1, the equivalent of 100 SBs, which is much lower than the typical cash out amounts. Plus, you'll receive a $10 bonus just for signing up for Swagbucks at the link in the description. Upside is the king of cashback rewards on gas with some sweet discounts at different stores thrown in for good measure. And you can turn those cashback rewards into gift cards, with free Visa gift cards obviously being the most sought after. All you need to do is download the Upside app, locate those nearby stores and gas stations that are part of the program, and you can start saving while you spend. To get the full lowdown, check out our comprehensive Upside app review linked below. You shouldn't be surprised to see another survey platform, but Branded Surveys does have its advantages. First, it's known for its super fast surveys, allowing you to collect points and cash out fast. Most surveys will take you around 5 to 20 minutes and can fetch you as many as 300 points, equivalent to $3. The other thing that sets Branded Surveys apart is its knack for tailoring surveys to your demographic and interests. This ensures that you're never stuck with boring or irrelevant surveys. Once you've stockpiled 500 points, you can snag a free Visa gift card or explore other rewards from well-known companies like Apple. Gift cards typically take 1 to 3 business days to be delivered, and Branded Surveys will send these gift card rewards directly to your email address in electronic format. This gives you the flexibility to use them as you see fit. Dive deeper into this world by checking out our list of other surveys that offer gift cards to supercharge your rewards gain linked below. InboxDollars goes beyond the typical survey platform by offering cash rewards for various online tasks. These tasks include participating in surveys, playing online games, reading email offers, and receiving cashback on your online purchases. To kick things off, you'll need to complete a 30-question survey, but the good news is that you'll receive a $5 bonus for doing so. InboxDollars pays out in both cash and gift cards from well-known brands, including Visa. To request payment for the first time, you must have $15 in your account. From then on, payment requests can be made in increments of $10 or higher. If you're looking for additional ways to earn money from the comfort of your home, dive into our list of surveys that offer instant, yes, instant, cash payouts linked below. Ipsos iSay is another platform for collecting rewards. It ensures you stay in the loop with daily email notifications when surveys are available. You can also find surveys using the Ipsos iSay mobile app, which you can download once you've signed up. Each survey you complete earns you iSay points. Set up your account via the link below, and you'll find surveys that come with estimated completion times and the possible points you could earn. Typically, the longer the estimated completion time of the survey, the more iSay points you'll have the opportunity to earn. The minimum points cash-out threshold is 500 points or $5. So which of the 10 are you going with to snag a Visa gift card? Or if you're feeling a bit overzealous, go for all 10 and amass a collection of them to splurge on whatever your heart desires. Leave a comment and let me know what you picked. And make sure to subscribe while you're at it. Happy earning!